Hello children, welcome to I Love Science. All of you have seen these kind of microscopes in your school biology lab. Today we will show you a different microscope which is actually an electronic microscope which can be connected to the laptop or a computer, and then the whole class can see the display of whatever specimen that we are trying to observe. So this is the electronic microscope. It is connected to the laptop using the USB device, and we will be able to view different types of slides from this. But this kind of a microscope is also used by doctors. So for example, skin doctors who want to view the close-up of somebody's skin who may have a problem. So for example, if I bring this closer to my skin, you should be able to see the close-up of skin and hair and everything. So what we have here is different types of slides which will help you see the close-up view of things like a mosquito, a hydra, onion cells, etc. So now let's see how does a mosquito look under the microscope. So you can see this mosquito. The head of the mosquito is in the center here. You can see the tentacles or the antenna of the mosquito coming out from the head. This is the body of the mosquito. You can see 6 legs of the mosquito here, and this is the rear body portion of the mosquito. So this is how you can clearly see the magnified view of any slide on this microscope. So now we have a hydra. You can see the hydra body very clearly here. So this is the body of the hydra, and on the head it has these tentacles on the head. Okay, now let's see things other than biological slides. So this is the structure of a simple cloth, and you should be able to see each fiber in the cloth very clearly, as if it's a very thick rope or something, but actually it's a very fine cloth fiber. Okay. Now we are taking some salt on this piece of paper, and then let's see how does this look under the microscope. So you see, this is how these grains of salt are looking under this microscope. So for example, if I show you this paper, on the top it has this I Love Science is written here. Okay, and then let's see how does it look under the microscope. So this is I love. You can see very clearly each pixel of the printer. I love science. All right. So I hope you like this experiment with this electronic microscope. At I Love Science, we have our own kit which is called Miniature World. In this science kit, we actually provide a very simple foldable microscope to all the children who use this, and children assemble their own microscope. This is a very small glass ball microscope. You can assemble it yourself, and it allows you to view magnified images of the slide which are from 80 to 100 times magnification. Now tell me, in your school, have you used the microscope yourself, or your teacher has demonstrated it to you? What are the objects that you viewed under the microscope? Also tell me that in this traditional microscope, what type of lenses are used, right? So give me your answers in the comment section below, and don't forget to like our page so that you never miss any future video that we will be posting. Thank you.